Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast and secure way to connect to the internet using V2Ray and Slow DNS, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the full setup of a V2Ray Slow DNS server using the UDP Custom website and how to configure it on the ZiVPN app. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you every step of the way. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need a faster and safer browsing experience. All right, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. From the list of search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down of options. Now select V2Ray Slow DNS server from the list. You'll be taken to a new page where you can choose a server location. Go ahead and pick the one closest to you or with the best performance. After selecting the location, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Enter your desired username, solve the CAPTCHA, and hit Create Now. Just like that, your V2Ray server will be created. Copy the V2Ray VMS details that appear on the screen. These are essential for the next step, so be sure to save them to your clipboard. Now let's move to the next step, setting up the V2Ray server on the ZiVPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZiVPN and press enter. When the ZiVPN app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app's details page. Hit the install button and wait for the app to download and install. Once installation is complete, tap Open to launch the ZiVPN app. On the home screen, find the checkbox next to V2Ray and tick it to activate V2Ray settings. Then, click the Settings icon at the top. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, tap on V2Ray. A new page will open. At the top right corner, you'll see a small plus button. Click on it. This button will automatically import the V2Ray VMS server from your clipboard. After the import is successful, go back to the home screen and simply tap the Start button to connect to the internet using your newly created V2Ray server. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a V2Ray Slow DNS server and configured it on the ZiVPN VPN app. Enjoy your fast and secure browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.